Are you happy now? Stacy, are you happy? Very good.
Get one by one. Wow.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
What is that?
What is that? Wow.
What is that?
Okay, later on. Okay, get the other one.
Other one, come on. Oh no,
What
that's
is
for
that?
mommy. That's for mommy.
Wow.
Wow! What is that?
Wow. What's that? You want to open it? Okay. Okay.
Hooray.
What are you gonna tell to mommy and daddy? Huh?
You're welcome.
No kiss? How about daddy?
Okay, daddy too. Thank you.